What's the laziest way to make money with AI as a beginner? Well, as a Forbes featured AI business strategist trusted by over 100,000 digital followers and someone who has built multiple six-figure businesses, I have to say that AI has made getting rich more accessible than it's ever been. So today, I'm going to share with you the 5 most popular AI business models and compare them against each other to see which one is the best for someone just getting started. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly which path to take based on your current situation, your skill level, and your budget. So with that being said, let's dive in. The first one I want to talk about is AI content creation. If you haven't seen it already, AI content has completely taken over the internet. With just a few clicks, you can make the craziest hyper-realistic video about anything. And the best part is you can actually get paid from it. So if we actually look at it, people right now are making thousands of dollars a month creating AI videos for either TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And they're using these products to sell it through affiliate marketing. TikTok Shop are even just getting paid from AdSense. The crazy part is how easy this is to do right now. The main tool I recommend is a tool called Higgsfield AI. Hands down is the best tool I've ever used for creating AI content. It's a one-stop shop, and you could also use 11 Labs for realistic AI voice cloning and Sora if you actually really want to create an AI twin of yourself. But let's talk about Higgsfield. Game changer. Let me show you how this works. I can literally create a hyper-realistic video content in minutes. And let's talk about the photos. The quality is insane. A couple of years ago, you'd actually need to hire a whole production team. And if you look at it now, you just need Higgsfield. You could type in anything you want and it will create it for you in seconds. This is the exact tool I teach inside my programs because it's that powerful. Here's the breakdown. When we look at the difficulty level, it's easy. You just need to be creative enough to come up with ideas. And let's be honest, you could even use ChatGPT to help you with that. So you don't have to be super creative. You can lock into ChatGPT to help you. And if we look at the cost, I would probably rank it at about a medium because Higgsfield and 11 Labs will run you about $50 to $100 a month total. Super affordable to get started. And let's talk about the potential. The potential is low. So here's my problem with this model. Because everyone could do the exact same thing that you're doing, the barrier to entry is basically zero. You're one algorithm change away from your entire income disappearing. And it's more of a side hustle to me than a real business. You could make a few $1,000 a month, but scaling beyond that is going to be tough because you're competing with millions of other people who are doing the exact same thing. Business model number 2, which is AI influencer and creator space. This, my friends, is where things get really interesting. And it's what I'm most excited about because this is about building yourself as an AI influencer or even a thought leader, someone who teaches, inspires, and leads in the AI space. And here's what most people don't realize, that you don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to position yourself as someone who understands how to use AI to solve real problems. This includes building an AI twin or an AI influencer of yourself, creating content that showcases AI tools and strategies, teaching others how to leverage AI in their businesses, and building a personal brand around AI expertise. I went from 0 to 70,000 followers within a span of 2 months, 2.2 million views within that time period, and that was the exact same strategy that I did. And I'm not a programmer, I'm not a data scientist, I just learned how to communicate AI in a way that resonates with business owners and entrepreneurs. Here's what this exactly looks like in practice. You create content showing people how to. So you could use ChatGPT to write better emails, create AI automation for their business. You can build custom GPTs that solve specific problems. You could use AI tools to save 10+ hours a week. Then you could monetize through it. You can provide coaching programs, online courses, affiliate partnerships with AI tools. You could do speaking engagements. You can even offer consulting. The opportunities are endless. Let's look at the breakdown. Difficulty is medium. You need to learn AI tools deeply enough to be able to teach them. You need to show up consistently on social media. You need to build trust and authority. Of course, let's look at the cost. I would rank it low because all you need really is a phone, AI tool subscriptions, and time. That's it. And if we look at the potential, it is extremely high. This is where life-changing money happens. My AI business strategist certification sells for about $2,400. My AI influencer program is $1,497. When you position yourself as the expert, you put the time in, the work in, you could charge premium prices because you're not selling hours, you're selling transformation. I've seen people go from 0 to 10 to 20K, even up to 50K in 6 to 12 months with this model. And it's 100% scalable because you're building digital products and programs. This is the model I teach inside my programs, and it's one of the most important moments in 2025 that I realized. Let's look at business model number 3. AI software. All right, let's talk about building AI software. When most people think about getting rich with AI, this is why, and this is what they picture: building the next ChatGPT and becoming a billionaire, looking like a unicorn. Look, without a doubt, this business model has the highest ceiling. If you could build a successful AI SaaS product, you could generally build generational wealth. But here's the reality. You do not need to be a software engineer. You do not need to even know how to code. These tools are so easy for you to use and for you to navigate through. Let's look at the cost, which is probably about a medium, because you will need to lock into education, you will need to learn vibe coding, you will need to definitely level up your skill set. So it is extremely high potential, but the upside is massive once you have, the customers that are paying you on a monthly recurring revenue. My honest take is that if you have maybe over 10,000 hours to dedicate to this and building an AI software, it is an incredible long-term play. But for most people watching this, you're not quite there yet. You know what, to be honest, 3 years from now, this will be one of the best opportunities of a lifetime. So while I think AI software is a great goal to work towards, it's not the best starting point, especially for beginners. And if you want my help with this, I have a free training that shows you exactly how to position yourself as an AI expert. And don't wait until 2027 when the market is saturated. I'm telling you to start today. I'll see you in the next video.